Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, English Word.
Hi, friends. We are so happy to see you.
My name is Sarah.
And I am Jack.
Today, we will talk about something very exciting.
Yes, we will talk about New Year plans.
How to plan your new year. It's easy and fun.
Before we start, please like this video.
And subscribe to our channel.
It really helps us. Thank you so much.
Okay, let's begin. Let's start the conversation.
Sarah, New Year is coming soon.
Yes, I am so excited.
Me too. Do you have plans for New Year?
Plans? Yes, I have some plans.
Great. What are your plans?
Well, I want to do many things.
That sounds good.
What about you, Jack? Do you have plans?
Yes, I do. I have many plans too.
Let's talk about our plans together.
Good idea.
Friends, did you hear that? Plans.
Plans means things you want to do.
For example, I have plans for Saturday.
It means you will do something on Saturday.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. I have plans.
Good. Again, I have plans for New Year.
Excellent.
Now you try. Say your own sentence.
Write in the comments. I have plans for
Tell us your plans. We want to know.
making goals. Jack, I want to set some goals for New Year.
Goals. What are goals?
Goals are things you want to do or achieve.
Ah, I understand. Like wishes?
Yes, like wishes, but more specific.
Can you give me an example?
Of course. My goal is to learn Spanish.
Wow, that's a great goal.
Thank you. What is your goal?
My goal is to read more books.
That's wonderful, Jack.
Thank you.
Friends, let's practice the word goal.
Repeat after me. Goal.
Good. My goal is.
Very good.
Goals can be big or small.
Big goal. I want to buy a house.
Small goal. I want to drink more water.
Both are good.
What is your goal for New Year?
Think about it. Write in the comments.
We will read all your comments.
Healthy habits. Sarah, I want to be healthier next year.
That's a good idea.
I want to exercise more.
Exercise is very good for you.
Yes! I want to go to the gym,
How many times per week?
maybe 3 times per week.
That's perfect.
What about you? Do you exercise?
Yes, I like to walk in the park,
Walking is very good exercise.
and it's free.
That's true.
Let's practice. Exercise.
Say it with us. Exercise.
Great. I want to exercise.
Perfect.
Exercise means moving your body.
Running, walking, dancing, swimming.
All of these are exercise.
Do you exercise? Tell us in the comments.
We want to know your favorite exercise, eating better. Jack, I also want to eat better food.
What do you mean?
I want to eat more vegetables.
That's very healthy.
Yes, vegetables are good for your body.
I like vegetables too.
What vegetables do you like?
I like carrots and tomatoes.
Yum! Those are delicious.
What vegetables do you like?
I like broccoli and spinach.
Very healthy.
I also want to drink more water.
Water is very important.
Yes, 8 glasses per day.
That's a good goal. Friends, let's practice.
Vegetables.
Repeat vegetables.
Good. I like vegetables.
Excellent.
Can you name 3 vegetables?
For example, carrots, tomatoes, broccoli.
Your turn. Write 3 vegetables in the comments.
And tell us, do you like vegetables?
We are waiting for your answers.
Learning something new. Sarah, you said you want to learn Spanish.
Yes, I am very excited
Why do you want to learn Spanish?
because I want to travel to Spain.
Wow, that sounds amazing.
Yes, and I want to talk to people there.
That's a great reason.
How will you learn Spanish?
I will take online classes,
That's good. Online classes are easy.
and I will practice every day.
Every day, that's great.
Yes, maybe 30 minutes per day.
Perfect. You will learn quickly. Do you want to learn something new?
Learning is fun,
You can learn a language
or learn to cook.
or learn to play music.
Many things to learn.
What do you want to learn?
Write in the comments.
I want to learn.
Tell us. We are curious.
Spending time with family. Jack, I want to spend more time with my family.
That's beautiful.
Yes, family is very important.
I agree. Family is everything.
Sometimes I am too busy.
I understand. Life is busy.
So next year, I want to visit my parents more,
How often will you visit?
maybe twice per month.
That's wonderful.
What about you? Do you see your family often?
Not very often. They live far away,
Oh, I see.
but I call them every week.
That's good. Calling is important too.
Yes. We talk on the phone. Friends, family is important.
Spend time with your family.
Call them, visit them, talk to them.
It makes everyone happy.
Do you live with your family?
Or do they live far away?
Tell us in the comments.
We would love to know. Saving money.
Sarah, I have another goal.
What is it?
I want to save money.
That's a very good goal.
Yes. I spend too much money sometimes.
What do you spend money on?
Coffee. I buy coffee every day.
Coffee is expensive. That's a lot of money.
So I want to make coffee at home,
Good idea. It's much cheaper.
and I want to save that money.
What will you do with the money?
Maybe I will travel.
Excellent plan. Let's practice. Save money.
Say it. Save money.
Good. I want to save money.
Perfect.
Do you save money?
How do you save money?
Some people don't buy coffee outside.
Some people cook at home, not in restaurants.
These are good ways to save money.
Write in the comments. How do you save money?
Share your tips with us. Making friends. Jack, do you have a social goal?
Social goal?
Yes, like making new friends.
Oh, yes, I do.
Tell me,
I want to make more friends next year.
that's a great goal.
Yes. I want to meet new people.
How will you do that?
Maybe I will join a club,
What kind of club?
maybe a book club.
Perfect. You like reading.
Yes. And I can meet people who like books too.
That's wonderful.
Friends, making friends is important.
Friends make life happy.
How can you make new friends?
Join a club, take a class, go to events.
Many ways to meet people.
Are you shy or friendly?
Write in the comments.
And tell us, how do you make friends?
We want to hear your stories.
Organizing your life. Jack, I need to be more organized.
Organized. What do you mean?
I mean, my house is messy sometimes.
My house is messy too.
So next year, I want to clean more.
That's a good idea.
I want to clean a little bit every day.
Every day is better than one big day.
Exactly. Just 15 minutes per day.
That's not too much.
No, it's easy.
I should do that too.
Yes, let's do it together.
Okay, deal.
Friends, being organized is good.
It makes life easier.
Clean your room, organize your desk.
Throw away things you don't need.
These small things help a lot.
Are you organized or messy?
Tell us honestly.
Write in the comments.
No judgment. Everyone is different.
Being kind. Sarah, I have one more goal.
What is it?
I want to be kinder next year.
Kinder? You are already very kind.
Thank you, but I can be better.
How?
I want to help people more.
That's beautiful, Jack.
Maybe volunteer somewhere.
Like at a food bank?
Yes. Or help elderly people.
Those are wonderful ideas.
I think helping others makes everyone happy.
You are right. It makes you happy too.
Yes, it feels good.
Friends, kindness is important.
Small acts of kindness are powerful.
Say thank you more.
Help someone carry something.
Smile at people.
These small things matter.
How do you show kindness?
Share your ideas in the comments.
We would love to read them. Review. Wow, Jack, we have so many plans.
Yes, let's review them.
Okay, first, set goals.
Second, exercise more.
Third, eat healthier food.
Fourth, learn something new.
Fifth, spend time with family.
Sixth, save money.
Seventh, make new friends.
Eighth, be organized.
And ninth, be kind.
Those are all great plans.
Yes. Which one is your favorite?
I think learning something new.
That's great.
What about you?
I think spending time with family.
Beautiful.
Friends, thank you for watching.
We hope you enjoyed this lesson.
Now you know how to talk about New Year plans.
You can use these words in sentences,
Practice with your friends
or practice with your family.
and write your New Year plans in the comments.
We will read every comment.
Don't forget to like this video.
And subscribe to our channel.
We make new videos every day.
See you in the next lesson.
Happy New Year in advance, everyone.
Bye bye.
Bye.